So today I'm going to show you how I make beat videos for YouTube, as well as the thumbnail and the cover art for my BeatStars. As you can see, I have templates already, one for BeatStars, the video, and then the YouTube thumbnail. So we'll just go ahead and start with the thumbnail. Delete this, delete this. I keep all of this the same, and I just change the colors. So we'll take our picture. You can get it from wherever. I got this just from Google. Edit image, background remover. The background remover tool is only available if you have Canva Pro, by the way. So I would suggest getting that. It's like $12 a month. It's worth it, in my opinion. Okay. Doesn't look the best, but whatever. Shadows, glow. Increase the size. Give him a blue glow because he's blue. Boom. Okay. The font, I'm gonna change this coloring to blue because he is blue. Let's turn this blue also. Let's see what it looks like with the pink on there already. Nice. Like a little cotton candy bubblegum action. Okay. Now we will choose a photo. I don't know. I've been using this keyword a lot. Some badass stuff here. Like this. What is this? Let's see. Here, stretch it out. There we go. Make it a little bigger. Okay, nice colorful thumbnail. I'm gonna go ahead and save this as sunrise. Boom. Download PNG. All right, now I'm gonna copy this. Command C if you're on MacBook. And I'm gonna do the BeatStars logo, or the BeatStars thumbnail. Paste. Command V is paste. Boom. Go back to my photo. Bring it back, stretch it out. Boom. There is sunrise BeatStars. Okay, there's my BeatStars cover art. And then copy this again, and we will do, oh shit, I already did that one. We will do the video. It's super helpful to have these templates already available. So you can see how I can just delete the old stuff, replace it with the new stuff. So videos, we'll go, let's see what sci-fi has. Some of these are too wild. Let's do synthwave again. Okay. I think this goes well with his colors. Let's see. Yep. Boom. Save this. Sunrise. Download. All right. There it is. YouTube video, YouTube thumbnail, BeatStars thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Peace.